Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wix AI step by step to build a high-end studio website in 2026, allowing you to bypass manual design hurdles and technicality launch a professional, responsive storefront that reflects your unique brand identity. First, start the Wix Harmony AI chat. The first step is a mechanical necessity for the 2026 workflow. Instead of browsing thousands of templates, you will candidly talk to Wix Harmony, the flagship AI agent designed to understand your professional business goals. Log into Wix and click Create New Site. Select the Start with AI or Start Chat option. The AI agent Aria will ask you about your industry and mission. Type in your details, like, I am a professional content creator specializing in 2026 technical software tutorials and Forex market analysis. By being specific now, Aria Technicality pre-configures your business tools, such as booking systems for consultations or an e-commerce store for your digital technical guides. Next, generate your studio layout and content. Once Aria understands your identity, the engine will generate a full site skeleton. In 2026, this isn't just a layout, it's a high-end draft complete with images and professional copy. Review the AI's proposed site structure and click Generate Site. Watch as the AI candidly builds your homepage, services grid, and a high-end About page. If you don't like the first version, you can technicality ask Aria to make it more minimalist or add more neon accents to match your studio aesthetic. The AI is technicality selecting a color palette and font pairing that matches your expert tone, ensuring your 2026 brand looks professional across all devices immediately across. Lastly, refine with the AI page and section creator. A 2026 professional site often needs specialized pages, so you can use the AI section creator to candidly add high-end technical components without starting over. While in the editor, click the Add Section button and select the AI section creator. Type in what you need, such as a high-end testimonial slider or a technical feature breakdown for my software tutorials. The AI technicality matches the design of the new section to your existing studio site, maintaining a professional visual consistency that manual editing often misses. And that's pretty much it. To use Wix AI in 2026, start by chatting with Aria to build your professional site brief. Let the engine generate your high-end design and use the AI section creator to candidly add custom technical components. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.